Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video to announce my new t-shirt store. So up until this point, if you've gotten a shirt from me, that I mailed that to you. Making a quick change here. Bunch of advantages to doing that. One, there is way more art available, any size, or pretty much any size and any color, instead of just gray. And for people living outside the United States, that's going to be way easier to ship it to. Some examples of the new art. There's the Yanmar on a baseball tee. This Fleet thing, that's pretty cool. The classic shirts are on. Look at this one with the Cybertruck on it. Now I'm like obligated to recreate this scene. Breaking the Cybertruck in like 2 videos. There's mugs. Wait, look that with the dogs on it. And I've been using this one, but ladies, there's these cool t-shirt dresses with the equipment silhouettes all across the bottom. Women's bathing suits here. The bottom, yeah. That's cool, look at that. There's even stuff like blankets on there. So I'll put the link in the description for the website. Right, buddy? What do you think? Hey, Levi. Where'd Cody go? Where's Cody? Should we go find him? Cody went on an adventure. There he is. Hey, Cody. Where'd you go?